This is our QC hold area. Any products that make it through quality checks. If they find anything wrong with them, quality will decide whether to rework the product or if it's scrapped. This is all parts that have been pulled for our products to be built to go out to the customer. This is the start of the production line here. Everything gets built on the assembly line, then it gets sent down the conveyor to our test booth. That's the only time that any electricity is supplied to the product. The product comes down, comes into the test booth. When the power is turned on, if you break the electrical curtain, it shuts the power down so no one can get electrocuted. Have our transformers that are coming in to make sure that everything's made correct to the correct specification. This is our new design front trim area. The stud gun here puts the studs onto the front trim. We have templates that go on the front trim, so it locates the stud exactly where it needs to be, and everything is logged into the computer. This is our transformer packaging area. We have 2 jib cranes. After all of our transformers are tested, they get put in the stock over here. All the jobs are pulled for this area and brought over either on a cart or they're in a bin.